Transform any outdoor space into a stunning retreat with stamped concrete patios from Apex Custom Concrete and Masonry. As Northwest Ohio's premier outdoor living design specialists, they deliver the luxurious appearance of natural stone and brick through innovative concrete stamping techniques that provide exceptional durability and value. These versatile stamped concrete patios offer homeowners the perfect blend of sophistication and practicality. Through advanced stamping patterns and coloring methods, each installation replicates premium materials like slate, cobblestone, and even wood grain textures, while requiring minimal maintenance and offering superior weather resistance. Apex Custom Concrete and Masonry enhances outdoor living with comprehensive design solutions that go beyond basic installations. Their expertise includes integrated fire pits, outdoor kitchens, decorative pergolas, and custom pool decks, all thoughtfully designed to complement their stamped concrete patios. Operating throughout Northwest Ohio, from Lake Erie's shores to inland communities, Apex Custom Concrete and Masonry brings master craftsmanship to every project. Visit their website today to discover how their innovative outdoor solutions can transform any property into an extraordinary entertainment space.